The Safemoon founders have been arrested, Bitcoin could be heading to 48K soon, and one altcoin is up massively in the last 24 hours, but there's something that you need to watch out for. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Altcoin Buzz, in collaboration with Engine Starter, brings you an exclusive giveaway. Now get a free 1-month Altcoin Buzz Alpha membership that includes buy and sell calls, portfolio updates, airdrops, and IDO strategies, as well as new gems and Q&As. If you're an Engine Starter staker, hurry up, sign up, and get your cash back with the link in the description below. Bitcoin has jumped to new 18-month highs, but holding its latest support is now key to avoiding a breakdown. Bitcoin hit just under $36,000 on Bitstamp after the daily close, its highest level since May 2022, and beating last month's local peak. In his latest update, analyst Mark Cullen suggested that $35,000 was the significant line in the sand to defend, saying now the Bitcoin range has broken, it's a little simpler. Either hold and push on up, or break down, and we likely lose the major Bitcoin uptrend in the short term. No reason to be bearish until Bitcoin closes a 4-hour candle back below 35K. A dip back to test is fine and likely a buy the dip opportunity. Also eyeing the low timeframe range is trader and analyst Credible Crypto. Like Cullen, he predicted a return to lower before upside continued, trapping both late longs and shorts in the process, and adding to liquidations, saying there's our breakout. Something like this to wipe out late longers real quick would not surprise me. A quick dump down into demand, late longers flushed, fresh bears pile into demand, higher lows printed, run it back into the real pump. For trader Gel, however, the outlook calls for Bitcoin to go even higher. Analyzing longer time frames, Gel eyed a breakout that suggests a target closer to $48,000. In a strategic addition to its cryptocurrency portfolio, MicroStrategy has purchased an additional 155 Bitcoin for $5.3 million. Michael Saylor announced the surge in Bitcoin's market value, noting the price cresting at a significant yearly peak. Since their initial investment of $250 million in August of 2020, MicroStrategy's Bitcoin assets have shown impressive growth. With over 158,400 Bitcoin now under its management, the company's strategy seems unswayed by the volatile nature of the crypto markets. Also, make sure to check out Randy's TA video on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel to see what altcoin levels he's looking at now. The founders of the cryptocurrency Safemoon have been indicted on charges of securities fraud, wire fraud, and money laundering related to the alleged misappropriation of millions of dollars of investor funds. John Caroni, Kyle Nagy, and Thomas Smith were charged in an indictment unsealed on Thursday in federal court in Brooklyn. Safemoon was launched in March of 2021 and caught on with investors for giving half the proceeds from its 10% transaction fee back to token holders. Caroni was arrested in Provo, Utah, while Smith was arrested in Bethlehem, New Hampshire, and Nagy still remains at large. According to the indictment, the defendants lied to Safemoon investors about the use of locked liquidity and their personal holdings and trading of the token. As Safemoon's market cap grew to over $8 billion, the defendants allegedly diverted millions of dollars worth of locked tokens for personal purchases like luxury cars, real estate, and personal investments. A U.S. attorney in a statement said the defendants deliberately misled investors and diverted millions of dollars to fuel their greedy scheme and enrich themselves by purchasing a custom Porsche sports car, other luxury vehicles, and real estate, adding as fraudsters increasingly use digital assets to mislead investors and misappropriate funds, our office will be at the forefront of pursuing them and their ill-gotten gains. The indictment alleges the defendants falsely claimed that locked Safemoon liquidity pools prevented insider rug pulls, and that the pools would not benefit developers. In reality, the Department of Justice insists defendants allegedly retain access to divert funds for personal gain, buying and selling Safemoon despite claims that they did not hold a token. PayPal UK Limited has successfully obtained registration with the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, as an official crypto service provider. Consequently, this green light from the FCA means that the financial juggernaut can now offer a curated set of cryptocurrency services and actively promote them in the UK market. Significantly, companies venturing into crypto services within the UK are not just about business, since stringent requirements bind them. Every company must not only gain the nod of registration approval, but also align with the FCA's rigorous anti-money laundering protocols. Hence, PayPal's latest accomplishment isn't merely about the diversification in its portfolio, it's a testament to its commitment to adhere to a top-tier regulatory standard. Moreover, the move is poised to strengthen PayPal's position as a global leader in digital payments, demonstrating its ability to adapt and grow in the evolving financial landscape. Furthermore, while the news indicates a significant stride for PayPal, it also reflects the UK's evolving stance on cryptocurrency, suggesting a promising future for other potential entrants into the market. Solana has rallied 24% during the past 24 hours, hitting $45 at its peak. More impressively, it's up nearly 80% in the past 30 days. On the face of it, analysts say we're seeing a classic short squeeze, but driving that is a narrative that basically says that Solana is not only as good as Ethereum, it promises to replace it. The network was especially hit hard during the FTX debacle because FTX and Solana were heavily invested in each other. FTX invested in both Solana and projects built on top of it. For example, together with the Solana Foundation, FTX co-created Serum, a now defunct DeFi protocol, which in its heyday was the backbone of the Solana DeFi ecosystem. The Solana Foundation also holds several millions of dollars worth of FTX common stock and FTT tokens. This means that when FTX went down, Solana suffered from both the size of its treasury shrinking, as well as the fact that the sole FTX held has now been passed on to liquidators. But thanks to growing developer support, its developer base grew over 40% year over year. Traders and speculators are also looking at Ethereum's past as a potential hint to the future of Solana. From April of 2020 to November of 2021, the price of Ethereum went from $100 all the way to $4,700. This came after ETH experienced its first bear cycle, a time during which many people made claims that ETH would disappear, much like most of the ICOs of its time. However, those people were wrong, and developers flocked to ETH to launch their tokens and protocols, keeping attention and volume on it throughout the bear market. ETH came back stronger than ever and was one of the top performers of the 2020 to 2021 bull market. Especially critical to Solana's resistance to short sellers is the ardent developer community, which not only didn't defect post-FTX, it grew. The number of developers on Solana actually surged by 83%. Even Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin publicly showed support for the developer community. The number of developers working on a layer 1 blockchain is a critical metric. In crypto, you don't pay developers to build on your blockchain, they have to choose to do it. And they take a risk by learning a blockchain-specific language when they don't know if the blockchain itself will last. According to Electric Capital's developer report, Solana currently has nearly 1,000 full-time developers, and by contrast, Ethereum has nearly 6,000. Likewise, Solana's market cap is only 8% of Ethereum's market cap, so it has a considerable way to go to make a more durable argument for its long-term success. And despite the short squeeze, it's not out of the FTX woods yet. It still needs to deal with the liquidations of the FTX assets. The FTX estate currently holds $120 million worth of SOL and will undoubtedly liquidate as the company continues to unwind. But the Solana bulls say that once that overhang is dealt with, it's up only for Solana. Cardano has been actively participating in the altcoin market rally, with the ADA price shooting 8% over the last 24 hours, moving all the way past 30 cents. However, historical data from CryptoRank provides a nuanced perspective. When considering the price history, the Cardano token has displayed an impressive average monthly return of 43.5% in November. Nevertheless, a more cautious interpretation, the median monthly return, suggests a decline of 2.5%. Looking back over the past 5 years, only one November, which was 3 years ago, concluded with a notable positive result, marking an 84% gain. Given this historical context, ADA holders are confronted with two potential scenarios for November: a robust surge of 43.5%, leading to a value of 41 cents per token, or a dip down to 28 cents per ADA. Over the past few months, long-term confidence in ADA's price has notably increased, with the number of addresses holding ADA for an extended period reaching a remarkable 2.7 million. Interestingly, there has been a noticeable decrease in the count of addresses holding ADA for less than a year, indicating a significant shift in the hodling mentality among investors. In a recent statement, Charles Hoskinson, the co-founder of Cardano, addressed concerns with the Cardano community. Hoskinson emphasized that IOG, the organization behind Cardano's development, is dedicated to building and expanding the Cardano ecosystem and bringing new users and experiences to the platform. He also mentioned Cardano Improvement Protocol 1694, which aims to enhance Cardano's ecosystem, and clarified that IOG's goal is to create the best wallet in the entire cryptocurrency space and introduce Bitcoin and Ethereum users to Cardano over time. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.